Hey, I'm Misha, and this is the most important thing I've ever published online. This and the thing I'm going to talk about right now. Climate change is threatening humanity, all of humanity. If we do not act now, floods, droughts, famines, and other disasters will become much more frequent. As a consequence, wars will likely break out and have a devastating impact on our society. Now, more and more people are becoming aware of this imminent crisis, thanks to international protests and demonstrations. This is wonderful, and the protests must continue. But how do we stop climate change? Most people think that we can simply switch to renewable energy sources and that green technology will somehow magically solve all of our problems. But this is not the case. All scientific evidence indicates that we have less than 15 years to radically cut down on our greenhouse gas emissions. To accomplish this goal, we will have to change more than our technology. We have to change us, ourselves, the way we live. In the past 4 weeks, I've been working on an article that explains why green technology will not be enough to prevent catastrophe. I've researched and analyzed data from various institutions, and the results are terrifying. This is why it's so important to make more people aware of our dilemma. Because the only way to avert climate change is to cooperate internationally on a massive scale. My hope is that I can reach as many people in the world as possible with my article, make them learn and understand our shared risk and our urgent need for a change of unprecedented magnitude. Please help me, help us, help basically all of us, our entire species, by reading the article and sharing it with everyone you know. No one can stop climate change alone, but the least we can do is to try to raise awareness and spread the word. Thank you so much for your support.